What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out a phone by BLU.
Hold on. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to be checking out another phone, and this one is by BLU. This is the G91s. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Back, guys. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I got another phone unboxing for you, and this one is the G91s by BLU. Now, we reviewed the V91 before. I'm not sure if you guys seen that on the channel, but if you haven't, definitely check that one out. I have it for you right here, actually, and this was not a bad phone at all, especially for a budget phone. So I'm anxious to see how this G91s compares. It should be a little bit better than the V91. So let's check out some of the specs on this phone. BLU actually provides the specs on the back of the phone. So taking a look at the back of the box and some of the specs, this G91s is rocking a 6.8 Full HD Infinity dot display, a Helio G80, and an octa-core 2 GHz processor, which is 64-bit. This particular one has 128 gigabytes of internal memory and 4 gigabytes of RAM. It has an advanced, according to BLU, an advanced triple AI camera with LED flash. So we'll be testing that out and as part of this little unboxing and first impression. But the back of the phone has a 48 megapixel depth sensor plus a 5 megapixel wide angle for the cameras, and then it has a 13 megapixel selfie camera with a fingerprint sensor and a 6,000 milliamp hour battery. So this 6,000 milliamp hour battery should last you what, at least 2 days with light use, with decent use. So that's cool. It has a micro SD slot, which you can put a micro SD card up to 128 gigabytes. A lot of the top end smartphones are not doing that anymore, so that's much appreciated. And this particular one has Android 11 loaded onto it. So I'm done talking about it. Let's open it up. Unboxing knife. I'm trying really hard not to get cut. Hopefully it never happens. But if it does, you guys will be the first to see it. Let's see if that did it. Oh yeah. Shout out to all the new subs and everybody who's been liking the videos and supporting the channel. The channel keeps growing and I appreciate you guys for it. So I got some more phones and gaming controllers that I want to show you guys and unbox for you. So I'll keep these videos coming. Let's go ahead and open this up. G91s. Designed by BLU in Miami. Move this to the side here. And I already see the phone. Pretty big, so it definitely looks familiar. So we'll go ahead and throw the phone to the side for now. See what else we get in this box. Doubled up on these, huh? Got to keep the phone fresh. I appreciate that, BLU. Look at this. First thing I see is headphones. If I can get these out. These are actually not that bad either. Look at the tips of the buds. So not too bad. And this phone is around $200. So this budget phone, another $200 budget phone, and look what you get in the box. Some pretty decent headphones. For taking calls. Not bad. 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Let's put this to the side too. Get the charging brick. It says BLU. Looks like a USB type A. And just like the V91, you get this silvery, reflective charging cable. I wonder if this is just a thing that BLU does, but it looks like USB type A to USB type C. All for under 200 bucks. Throw this in like that. Put it to the side. SIM ejector tool. Oh, look at that. I already see a case, but get some BLU stickers. Definitely nice little touch. User guide. G91s. I suggest reading this. Probably learn some things you didn't know about the phone, but you know, we'll put this to the side too. What else do you get in here? Screen protector. Come on, guys. This is where it's at, the budget phone, especially for a side phone. Although I haven't even powered the phone on, just some of the things you get. You're not seeing this anymore. BLU is definitely packaging a lot with your phone. Look, check out this case. Nice rubbery case. Kind of looks like the one I had, the one that came with the V91 as well. So maybe this is just standard for BLU, but I'm not mad. It's like the gifts won't stop coming. And a screen protector. So we got BLU stickers, screen protector, case, charger, headphones, which aren't even that bad looking, for all under $200. Let's take a look at the phone. Put this box over here. Let's open this up. It's a nice color too. Nice grayish color, grayish black color. I feel like kind of has a blue tinge to it as well. Really nice. See if we have some juice. But just looking at the back, you can see the fingerprint sensor here, the 3-camera setup. Looks like you have a speaker grill on the bottom, charging port, 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. I wonder if this thing has a face scanner as well, just like the other one. Alright guys, I'll throw my information in here, and when we come back, we'll do a quick picture test, sound test, and then we'll get into some gaming. So, hang tight. Alright guys, I'm back and I got my information thrown into the device, and I gotta say, just playing around with it for the short time that I have, this is a really nice device. For around $200, this BLU G91s is a pretty decent device. It has a fingerprint sensor, face scanner. The screen is nice and bright and big, and I'm anxious to see how that 6,000 milliamp hour battery stacks up. But just so far, moving through the OS, not bad. Not a bad device. I like it. Nice, smooth, responsive. So let's compare it to this V91 that I have sitting on my desk here. And so this is the first BLU phone I did an unboxing and first impression of, the V91, which is also not a bad device. But I will say this G91s is a better device than the BLU V91. But just for size comparison, as you can see, the G91s is a little bit taller. They're about the same thickness, but the color on the V91, this particular model, is pretty sick. Let's go ahead and jump into a quick camera test. I'll take some pictures of what I got on my desk, and then we'll do a sound test and jump into some gaming. So let's fire this camera up. Shutter speed's not too bad. So I'll throw these pictures up for you guys. But yeah, the shutter speed's not too bad. Let's take a look at the picture of the blue V91. This is low light, but it's not horrible. Again, this is a around $200 phone. All right, let's go ahead and jump into a sound test. Got YouTube loaded up. Got the channel. And so it has this bottom firing speaker, which is not bad sounding, but if you cover it, it becomes muffled. There's no front or top firing speaker, just a bottom firing speaker. But it is kind of loud. This is the video where I lost my AOVO Pro drone to the forest that you guys see. So rest in peace to the AOVO Pro. But I will be getting a new drone soon, and you guys will be seeing it on the channel. So the sound is not too bad coming from this bottom firing speaker. So if you're worried about sound quality, this shouldn't be too big of a deal. Obviously, having a top firing speaker and a bottom firing speaker for the stereo sound is the best, but for around $200, this is pretty good. Let's go ahead and jump into some gaming and load up some Mega Man. See how well this game does. I always have a hard time getting this game to actually load, because it seems like it's pretty heavy on the phones, but we'll see. This game definitely plays like the old school Mega Man games, so I'm not sure. You guys will have to let me know if you're a fan of Mega Man in the comment section below. But I know I definitely was. Loading and loading. Said tap to start. I didn't know if we were stuck or not, but it looks like we're in business. Skip the. Nope, more loading. But it is loading pretty quickly, so maybe that 4 gigabytes of RAM is actually doing something. Here we go. Come on, can we just play? Nice. Okay. It's running pretty smooth so far. I know we haven't done much, but just loading it up seems pretty smooth. Okay. So I can duck. I remember this. Nice. Minus this tutorial, running pretty good. Nice. See how we do against this guy. Oh, what kind of move was that? Classic Mega Man stuff. Always like to prepare for battle. Told you. You see what happens when my finger slips up and covers that front firing speaker? Although this game is running pretty good, once you cover that front firing speaker, or that bottom firing speaker, should I say, the sound is very muffled. Oh, come on, that's not even fair. Alright. Yeah, I know I'm in trouble. Almost got him. Did we get him? A little too easy. Nice. So guys, I hope you enjoyed some of that light gaming coming from the G91s. All in all, this is a good budget phone. I would recommend buying this phone for definitely a starter phone, or maybe just your side phone. It could even be your main phone. Now, I played a little bit of Mega Man on this game, or on this phone, but if you're doing other heavy gaming, maybe some Call of Duty, maybe some Asphalt, maybe running multiple things at once, I could see this phone possibly having some lag. But just in the light testing that I did, this is a good phone for the price, for $200. It came with a case, it came with the charging brick and the charging cable, along with headphones and a screen protector, all for around $200. You can't really beat this, guys. It also has a fingerprint sensor on the back. It has a face scanner. It has raise to wake. This is not a bad phone with a 6,000 milliamp hour battery. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll definitely catch you in the next one. I'll have more coming soon. Peace. Pick up a budget phone. At least try it out, guys.